welcome back to Carolina Recuttles. Today we sold everything. Everything is gone. We sold the Rancho. We sold the 500. We sold the Wolverine. It is all gone. And why are we selling everything? Because I'm sick and tired of doing all this. This channel has just been a headache and I can't handle it anymore. I'm sick of YouTube. I'm just kidding. But we did sell everything, ladies and gentlemen. Everything but the Wolverine and the 6x6. I was joking about that. The Wolverine is around the corner because I was about to start washing it. And the 500, we sold that. And sadly, because we took such a loss on the 500, because it's Forest Gill going out, I had to drop the price so much, we also sold the Rancho. I know a lot of people are like, well, weren't you giving that away? We are still giving a four-wheeler away when we get to 4,000 subscribers if we get this year. And I think this new four-wheeler we're going to look at is going to bring us into the year, and it's actually going to make it so we can give the four-wheeler away. Because the way the numbers were working is I needed about 250 subscribers a month, I think, to make the 4,000 by Christmas. Right now, we've made about 110. So there was no way we're getting it, and I've been pushing hard. And I know we've been in the same holes. I get that. But sadly, what can I say? The ES Honda, it was doing great, except for one tiny little issue. It couldn't spin the tiles. It couldn't. Something about the ES, it just will not spin the tiles and bog down like I want it. I know I had the 26, even on the 26s, it would sometimes just be like, yeah, no, the mud's too thick, I won't spin it. So it was sad. I had to make an executive decision, and I decided, you know what, I will get a loan out and buy another 350, a nicer one, because let's be honest, mine was kind of junky. We'll buy a nicer one and give it away if we get the 4,000 cars. Heck, we might buy a Honda 300. Y'all let me know in the comments. Should we go ahead and get a 300 to give away if we get to there, or should we give maybe something else? I mean, let's be honest, a year is a long time, and we have a lot of things. We are still giving the four-wheeler away. I just thought, you know what, why don't we just go ahead and get another four-wheeler to give away later on instead of having to keep it, because it's a long time. It don't seem long to y'all because it will be like, what, like 50 videos? To me, it's just, I just kept looking at like, what more can I do with the Rancho? It will sit here and then it probably will break because I literally have replaced parts after parts, so I had to sell it. So what are we doing? We are going to go look at a new one right now. We're going to go ahead and load up in the truck, load up the trailer. I'm not going to do a video of hooking the trailer up. I find that just a little annoying when people do that, just kind of pandering a little bit. So we'll load up and we will get going, and I will catch y'all in the truck. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the road. We are heading to get something new. So we are going to drop you into this montage. I know we've already talked about how we sold everything to get something new. So we're going to go ahead and drop you in a montage, and I'll catch you back after we get there. And I don't know if I'll record there. You know, people don't like it when you record when you're at places, but we'll go ahead and I'll at least do a little montage. I'll tell you if we get it or if it's junk. It's about an hour and a half drive, so it ain't too much. Bus goes about a 2 hour and 10 from here, and that's a simple drive. So I will catch y'all when we get back. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. These are all back roads so far. I love back roads, man. It's so nice. There's nobody on them. I've just been boogieing. Well, I have found every slow person in the entire state. But anyways, we are about 30 minutes till we get there. So we're almost there, people.
1 hour later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a new four-wheeler. You can kind of see it in the background. So, it's late. It's almost 5 o'clock. I stayed way longer than I wanted to, but anyways, I will catch y'all tomorrow. We'll show you this bad boy. So I will see y'all in the morning. What do y'all think so far? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Ooh, look at this bad boy right here. Woo! He'll camming out a little bit. Cut off because she's kind of loud. What do y'all think? It's a 2008 Gen 1 800, and let's just say she a little spicy. And when I mean spicy, I'm not joking. She is built. So this is the reason why we went ahead and sold both the 500 and the Rancho. We're hoping to sell the Foreman or the 500 and then be able to buy this. But when the Force Gear went out, we had to sell the Rancho too. So let's go ahead and show you a little bit about this thing. So as you can't tell, I got the Aztecs, the tires everybody keeps telling me I should have bought. I don't know much about them. I know a lot of people love them because they're light. But anyways, we got them now, so let's see what they do. Do not mind the battery box because like everybody, his whatchamacallit exploded his belt and it caused him to have a belt box failure, so he replaced it with the one he got used. Okay, we got a Muzzy exhaust. We got Demon axles. Just look at the size of them axles. Holy crap. And a Gen 2 XMR diff. Yes, they put a Gen 2 XMR diff in this thing. Things that I was already going to go ahead and do. It has an 840 kit in the engine with a stage 3 cam. This thing just sits on loops all day. Got the winch, got the radiator, got the snorkels. Yeah, they're the goofy looking snorkels. I possibly like the Royals better. But anyway, she is ready to go. Oh yeah, by the way, because I didn't say it right then, CVT clutches. CVT tech, you know what I mean? It has them. She is ready. The only thing that has not been done on this thing is the front diff has not been put the locker in it. That's the only thing she is missing. Other than that, this thing has more power than I could dream of. Me personally, I think this thing might have a little too much power for me. So we're going to try to take it a little easier for us so I can get used to power. This thing will lift the wheels up at 40-some mile an hour, I feel like. Like I've done it and you can feel the wheels when you floor. I'm just scared to death of it. You can literally wheelie by just hitting the gas and pulling just slightly on the handlebar and the whole front end will literally come off. Like it'll literally like wheelie everywhere. Like this thing is amazing. I am not going to lie, guys. I am so excited. I know a lot of people are like, well, I get a Can-Am, it's going to break. I know it's going to break, ladies and gentlemen. But we need to keep moving the channel forward. And the Hondas, we're still going to be buying all these old Hondas, guys. If you've been on this channel, you know we buy cheap, we fix, we sell. And we're going to keep buying old Hondas. So we're going to have thousands of old Hondas to screw around with. But this is going to be, hopefully, this is going to be our Busco machine. I was hoping to go to Busco this weekend. Okay, so this video ain't going to come out till 2 weekends from now. So it's already going to pass. But, you know, when I'm recording this, it was going to be the customer appreciation or whatever when the free weekend. I think it's this week. No, it might be the following weekend. So we might be able to get. Anyways, I got to go ahead and I want to drive this thing and make sure it's right before I try to take it to Busco. Because the worst thing that can happen is me taking it to Busco and it dies as soon as I get there. So we're definitely going to have to drive a little bit. I mean, the only problem when I bought this thing, the only issue I had was it was starting slow. So I was like, why is it starting slow? The battery dead maybe? And I went to take the battery off and the ground terminal had broke off because these Gen 1s have a horrible design for it. Look at that battery. Look at that battery box. Look at where it is. I had to put zip ties because the little strap broke. I mean, it's just stupid, some designs on these old four-wheelers. But oh, she already got a winch and a radio. We'll never use a radio because we record. The only thing that I'm going to put on it is probably go ahead and put the shifter on. And of course, we're going to have to replace the gas tank. This is an 840 kit, so I won't be able to run regular gas, which ain't a problem, but it is a little sad because now I got to start buying that high dollar stuff. So now who is ready? Let's go for a ride. I think it's time to go for a ride. We're not going to do it right now because I'm on my lunch break. But when this video starts back up, we are going for a ride and we're going to test it out. We're going to start slow because I've never even took it through the mud or nothing. So we're going to start a little bit slow, but then straightforward. So I'll see y'all in a second, or for you in a second. For me, probably a couple days, we're taking this thing in the mud. So this is my first time testing it out in any kind of mud. So hopefully everything stays together. I was told that the four-wheel drive light's coming on and it seems to work, but let's try it out. Oh, whoa, hang on. Forgot. Low, there you go. I swear the power of this thing. Let's do my toboggan. Holy crap. This thing sends it, and I ain't even sending it. I'm just kind of easing it because I don't want to break it the first time I drive it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna kind of send it, not full send it, because honestly, the problem right now is I don't know this four-wheeler. I've only got about, what you've seen is pretty much what I've done with this thing. And I don't want to overdo it the first time I drive it, because I've never driven a Can-Am. This is the first time, so I'm a little skittish on sending it, and me running out of skill before I run out of power, because I think that's what's gonna happen with this thing. Oh, that is cold! Woo! Okay, Can-Am all the way. Woo! Oh, there's gunk all over my camera. Ugh. Okay, let's go wash it off a little bit. Let's see if a Can-Am can make it up there, because the 500 did not. There you go, full drive on. Woo! Oh, come on. Hello.
Calling me.
Yeah, can you come pull me out? Yeah. Just come where I was stuck last time. Come where I was stuck last time.
Why did you go in there and get stuck?
I don't know.
One eternity later.
No getting out.
You're so in muddy.
Yeah. Come on forward. That's good. Okay. Back up. Keep backing up. Okay. A little more right there. Winter in, baby. Keep going. A little more. Keep going, right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after less than 2 seconds of looking, I have realized what is wrong. So let's go ahead and show y'all. Again, this is not the four-wheeler's fault this time. This is the person I bought it from. First off, look at that CV Tech. Ooh. Okay, so here's the belt box. Definitely got moisture in it. And look what's missing here. There is no seal till there. Huh. You make it poison?
Yeah. Weed making poison.
Okay, guys. Anyways, guys, as you can see, there's no seal anywhere on the bottom, and that would explain why water immediately went in there. Luckily, it didn't go too high, so a little cleaning up, and it will be good as new. So, what y'all think?
And this is my cousin Jonah. He's doing the video, so you better give us support him.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as always, thanks for watching. So we broke it the first ride. It happens. Everything we get, we break at least the first ride. It was the belt box, the gasket was broke off. I kind of showed y'all, I think. If not, I'm sorry. But hey, we broke the Honda the first ride too. So this is nothing new, breaking everything. The wind is blowing. This is the next day because it started raining and I couldn't get the ending for this video. So anyways, we have it ready. Hopefully the gasket should be here by the time the next video will come out. Like, I should get it in the next day or two. Or, luckily, it was on Amazon for cheap. And that was the OEM, guys. Nobody be over here like, you shouldn't order the cheap ones. No, this is the OEM. It was just on Amazon. Some company, BRP was selling it on Amazon. So we got it on its way. We will have this thing together, and we are going through some thick mud. No more weak mud like this video. Everybody's already like, that's not that deep. Well, yeah, we got to test it out before we take it out. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. And please subscribe for more Outlander videos. And guess what? We have a couple Hondas coming, hopefully. I'm looking at a couple, guys. Don't worry. We have more Hondas coming. And maybe we get a Yamaha if we can ever find a deal. People love their Yamaha. So I will see y'all on the next one.